First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Those of you who love summer weather, you've got what you asked for, and it's back, and it's here for at least a couple of more days before we do see some changes taking place by the middle part of the week, which will bring our temperatures back down again. And a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar showing a clean sweep. We're looking good at this midday hour, and temperatures already well into the 80s. 84, the current temperature now in Bowling Green. Average high for this time of the year is 90. We'll probably hit that today. In fact, into the low 90s tomorrow. And with that combined heat and humidity, that 93 may feel more like 98, 99, maybe close to 100. Depending on the amount of moisture that will be in the air, kind of that haze that you see on a very hot summer day. We're likely to see that not only this afternoon, but tomorrow afternoon. And then as we get into Wednesday, a cold front approaches with a good chance of rain, especially by Wednesday night into Thursday. And look what happens with that cold front. We take off a good 10 degrees off the daytime high. We're only calling for a high of 82 on Thursday, 86 Friday. And as the temperatures start to climb into the weekend, well, they go right back down into the mid-80s by Sunday as yet another system comes in. In fact, the one coming in for next week, after we get into the latter week of July, that one looks to be like the one last week that really brought the temperatures down into the upper 70s. It looks like we're going to take these little hits of some more Arctic-like air as we get into late July, early August. In the meantime, we're feeling the warmth here in southern Kentucky at this midday hour, mostly low to mid-80s anywhere you look. 86 Madisonville, 85 in Hartford, there's 83 in Litchfield, 81 in Edmonton. Columbia coming in at 83 at this hour. And the dew points are in the upper 60s, and we do have a few 70s now starting to show up, which again, with that green painted on this particular map, indicates the muggy air that is back in play, as it is very typical for this time of the year here in southern Kentucky. Looking live down Scottsville Road, seeing a few of those building clouds, but notice they're only building up so high as we have a lid of warm air that is capping off the atmosphere and therefore preventing any showers to form here. There's really not a trigger anywhere close to us. You have to go down into Tennessee to find that. 84 right now, feels like 86 with a northeast wind at 4. 50% humidity, but that dew point at 64 is kind of bringing back some of the mugginess to the atmosphere. As we check a few weather cams, we go to the Mammoth Cave National Park weather cam, 82 there under a partly sunny sky. Russellville and our AAA Systems weather cam network, partly sunny at 85. Munfordville, you're looking good. Mix of sun and clouds. Your temperature at 81 up in Hart County. And Franklin coming in at 86 and partly sunny. 84 at the Bowling Green Airport, 74 in Nashville. Almost 80 Springfield, Illinois, 83 in St. Louis. Heat advisories out for the Central Plains and the upper Midwest, while we're running 10 degrees warmer than yesterday at this hour. There's a little upper level disturbance down in southeastern Tennessee. You can see it kind of scooting out into the middle Tennessee area. Not everybody picking up rain out of that, but that's about to fade out as it hits a little bit more of a stable atmosphere. But there is a possibility east of us and along the Cumberland Plateau there could be a stray shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, but I don't think we're going to see that here. We'll see some of the residual clouds, and we're seeing that now starting to build into the afternoon and early evening hours, but overnight tonight it'll be partly cloudy, maybe some patchy fog again late tonight, early tomorrow. Here's what we're going to keep an eye on besides an isolated shower or two tomorrow. This cold front coming in for Wednesday night into Thursday will signal a big change by the middle part of the week. Partly cloudy today, warm and humid around 90, then for tonight 70 under a partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow we'll make it back to a hot, humid 93 with a slight chance of a late day shower. The better chance of scattered showers Wednesday afternoon and evening, and especially Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. And that's when we go from 92 to 82 on Thursday with that cold front coming through. And then for the weekend, maybe a few pop-up showers Saturday and Sunday, highs in the mid to upper 80s. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.